Hey everyone, today we are taking a look at the home office lighting setup by Litones. Let's open up the box and see how it works. Instructions it comes with. This is the charging cable to plug into the wall. Here's the remote control. Here's the remote. And then here's the light itself. Let's go set it up and see how it works. If you're juggling video calls, multitasking, or spending long hours at your desk, then this will definitely help to make things more productive and feel professional. Let's start with some of its features. The layered, double-sided lighting system helps to completely light your entire room, or pinpoint it to a certain area. The 33-inch swing arm and multiple joints make this super flexible, so the lamp can adjust smoothly to your posture and tasks. And the light is super easy to set up and use as well. Simply attach it to your desk with the clamp, and then plug in the power cord. And you're ready to go. Compared to standard desk lamps, Litones offers a wider, more balanced illumination. Perfect for dual monitor setups or those with larger workspaces. So there is no need for extra background lights or having a complicated setup. The ambient contrast is naturally reduced, which means less eye strain and smoother focus transitions. If you've ever felt fatigued working in a dim room with just a screen bar or a single lamp, then using this setup is a game changer. Another highlight is its glare reduction. You can adjust the lamp angles to minimize screen glare, which really helps during long sessions at your desk. Plus, the wireless rotating remote is a unique feature. You can adjust the brightness from 1% to 100 and the color temperatures from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Just rotate to dim, press and rotate to change the warmth, and press once to turn the light on and off. It's intuitive, precise, and works from up to 10 meters away. The lighting is layered and soft, which helps reduce eye fatigue. After a week of use, I notice less strain and better focus, especially during late night editing or reading. So if you're into cozy lighting, you can easily adjust the background warmth without adding extra lamps. It's all built in. The video conference mode is a bonus as well. One touch and your face is lit evenly, with natural tones and no harsh shadows. So it's great for live streams or Zoom calls. With flicker-free tech, high CR over 95, and a metal body, it's built to last and designed to support your workflow. So if you're looking to upgrade your desk setup with some better lighting, then definitely take a look at the Litones home office lighting setup today. And you can check it out in the link below. See you.